He Americanized, man. Them Americanize him. And that's why he moves, sir. Americanize him.
I'm not American.
You're not American, but you're
Black guys, I'm
but
black.
you're American. Alright. This is Mr. Ash, long time no see. Now my channel I do right now. Not too bad. 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 1 month ago. Really need to drop a new video, let's be honest. How old is Mr. Ashi? What? What's your age? Alright guys, we need to make a Q&A ASAP. Alright guys, my bald, may I hide my ear. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't know it's your boy Mr. Ashi back again. Don't know it's the exam them done. Some of these sites alright. I got inform the people exam done. So I start make some video now. So basically me and my friend we're gonna do some reaction video and some outdoors video, you know, like regular, just not gonna be, probably not gonna be as frequent, probably like every 3 days. But when you can drop in the comments what you think we can do, so like when I run out of ideas and stuff. So yeah, and yeah, so I'm at the Q&A guys. So I wanted to drop some question in the comments and hopefully we can answer them. Nothing too out of pocket guys, please. So yeah, make sure to drop a comment down below. I want to get this video posted tomorrow. So yes guys, please drop a comment on where would I like asks. So yeah.